Hi, this is Rabbi Young. Thank you for tuning in to the weekly video email. This week, we're going to start the year off talking about gematria. Gematria is the idea that because Hebrew letters also represent numbers, every word has a numerical value, and you can use that numerical value to compare to other words and have fun making different points. Now, it is a bit of a frivolous art, admittedly. Gematria is to religious studies what astrology is to scientific studies. But acknowledging that, I want to look at the very first line of this week's parsha, which starts, Vayechi Yaakov be'eretz Mitzrayim shva esrei shana, which means Jacob lived 17 years in the land of Egypt. Now, 17 is the numerical value of the word tov. Tov means good. Tet equals 9, Vav equals 6, and Bet equals 2. So 17 is Tov, or more accurately, Tov is 17. So Jacob lived 17 years in Egypt after he came to see Joseph. Also, way back in the middle of Genesis, when Joseph was kidnapped by his brothers and they told Jacob that Joseph had died, Joseph was 17 years old. So Joseph is 17 when he's kidnapped, but leading up to that, 17 is Tov. 17 is good. Jacob with Joseph, another 17 years, that's Tov also. And guess what has the gematria of 17 times 2, or 34? The word Vayechi, not only the title of this week's parasha, but it means and he lived. So double Tov, double good, is Vayechi, living and living well. So what is the similarity between the first 17 and the second 17? They both happen when Jacob and Joseph are together. When they're together, 17 years from Joseph's birth to kidnapping, and then 17 years from Jacob coming to Egypt until Jacob's death. Those two 17s are the best years of Jacob's life because they had their one. They had their one person. We all have one person. It could be a friend, a family member, a spouse, but we all have that one person who just being with them gives us so much joy. Maybe that person is not a human. Maybe it's an animal. Maybe a pet gives us this kind of joy. Maybe it's a place that gives us this kind of joy. Maybe it's something we do that gives us this much joy. But there is that one thing that doubles our Tov, that doubles our 17 and gives us 34 Vayechi. So I hope that this year, starting off 2023 with only Tov, may you find that one thing, that one person, place, activity that gives you great joy, that makes your life feel completely fulfilled and good, and may this whole year be a blessing to you and yours. Take care, and thanks for watching.